जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् प्रार्थयामहे भव शतायुषी प्रार्थयामहे भव शतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम् जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् सर्वदा मुदम्
Manju, many happy birthday to you. സൗഖ്യമാര്
Hello Manju, wish you very many happy returns of the day. You are a great inspiration for everyone in terms of facing challenges. நமக்கு நிறையவே challenges இருந்திருக்கு and all of them you are faced with great determination, strength and most importantly smile. What comes to mind when somebody thinks of you is your infectious smile. Keep smiling, have a great day, have a great year and have great many years. Best wishes always.
Many happy returns of the day, Akka. On this special day, I dedicate to you a very small poem, Happily Ever After. On your birthday, my special one, I wish that all your dreams come true. May your day be filled with joy, wonderful thoughts and remembrances too. On your day, I wish for you favorite people to embrace, loving smiles and caring looks that earthly gifts cannot replace. I wish you fine and simple pleasures. I wish you many years of laughter. I wish you all of life's best treasures. I wish you happily ever after. Akka, have a nice day and a wonderful year ahead. With lots and lots of love from your dear sister Rajni.
Happy birthday, mommy. I know this birthday must be very special for you given it comes just a few months after your daughter's wedding, and I hope that this year is just as eventful and I hope it makes you just as happy as the last year has.
Happy birthday, Atte!
Happy birthday, Atta!
Happy birthday, Atte!
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Don't let the lockdown get you down. I miss all the Balvihar classes we used to have and all the things you taught me and all the small tidbits of advice that make so much difference every time I meet you. I hope you have a great day. May God give you many more years and I hope to see you soon also.
Hari Om Manju Mami, eppadi irkel? Wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope ningal nanna irkel, safe irkel, and I will see you very soon and have a lovely day.
Hey Ma, wish you many happy returns of the day. I know this year you were supposed to celebrate your birthday elsewhere, but nonetheless, we all are there with you in spirit. And I hope you have an amazing day and amazing year ahead. You have always supported us and loved us throughout everything, no matter what. I hope you'll always be proud of me, Mridul, and I love you.
चले
Happy birthday, Atta.
नमस्कारम
Namaskaram.
सत्यमाज
Namaskaram.
happy birthday atta namaskaram. Have a great day, have a great year ahead. Last year ரொம்ப நன்னா இருந்தது. இந்த டைம் உங்களுக்கு சர்ப்ரைஸ் கொடுத்தது, and the stay at Koparkarana was very good. We all enjoyed. இந்த வருஷம், since we'll not be able to meet, Mridula has planned something special for you. Hope you like it. And இதெல்லாம் சரியா போனோன்னு all of us can meet sometime. ஆமா Mridula அக்கா. So all of us can meet sometime. So happy birthday again.
Hello Atta, namaskaram. Happy birthday. May you have a great day and a great year. போன வருஷம் எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்து இருந்தோம். காத்தால இந்த ராமாஸ்ரயெல்லாம் போனோம். ராமாஸ்ரயாக்கு தான் நாங்கள் வந்தோம். நீங்களாம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சித்தி விநாயகர் போனேன், கணபதிக்கு புளையாச்சுவை போட்டுட்டு தான் வந்தேன். ஸோ ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, ஜாலியாக இருந்தது லாஸ்ட் இயர். அடுத்த தடவை இப்போ மணிப்பால் போகிறீங்களோ இப்போ இங்கேயும் ஒரு ட்ரிப்பு போட்டுட்டு போங்க, எல்லாம் ஜாலியாக இருக்கலாம். நீங்கள் நிறைய புது டிஷ்லாம் வேறு ட்ரை பண்ணுறேன், அதெல்லாம் இங்கே வந்து பண்ணலாம், நாங்களும் சாப்பிடுவோம். ஸோ ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே, ஹாவ் அ கிரேட் இயர். தேங்க்யூ.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே மாமி, ஹாவ் அ கிரேட் இயர் அஹெட். இந்த வருஷம் நிச்சயமாக மெமரபிள் பர்த்டேயாக இருக்கும். பொண்ணு மாப்பிள்ளை வந்து அந்த ஹாப்பி மூமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் நீங்கள் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன் ஒவ்வொரு நாளும். பட் என்ன பண்ணுறது, குவாரண்டைனால் பார்க்க முடியாமல் போயிடுது. இல்லைன்னா நிச்சயமாக வந்து நாங்கள் மீட் பண்ணலான்னு ஒரு பிளான் இருந்தது. ஓகே.
Hello mommy, happy birthday, have a great year ahead. Happy birthday mommy.
Hello mommy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Hope you have a great year ahead.
Hi mommy, happy birthday.
Happy
birthday, Attai. Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Have a great year ahead, Attai. Take care.
Hi Manju, many happy returns of the day. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, इन्हीं तारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र तुम्हें खुश रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. Manju, you are a very lovely child for our family. For SNMJ family, you are the first girl child, very lucky child, and God bless you with many more happy returns of the day. Be happy, be enjoy your life, spread happiness everywhere. Thank you very much.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. Manju, this is for you, but நான் தங்க போறேன். Okay? Actually, 2 மாசம் முன்னாடி lockdown ilkata, I was thinking that you, me and Lata can have a gala time together this birthday. But anyway, lock time, so you have to celebrate it on your own. And if you remember, 2 years back, I think Sharanya had also planned your birthday, and I visited your place. Or surprise visit irundhudu. Ningal naan Mridula and all, we had a good time with cake and everything. Wish the situation was the same today also, but it's okay. Okay, so have a good time and have a good day. Bye.
Hi Manju, I feel so lucky to have met you, which has been a providence in God's will. Today I wish you a special birthday. May all your dreams come true, and let there be no hurdles and acres of green grass at your feet. May you have everlasting joy and happiness through your daughters. And may this year be especially wonderful and a blessed year for you. I look forward to many years of friendship. भाई बच्चों की शादियां देखनी हैं, उनके बच्चे देखने हैं, मिलकर देखेंगे. As you are now an extended family to us, you deserve all the wonderful things because you're a pure soul. All I can say. उगता हुआ सूरज दुआ दे आपको, उगता हुआ सूरज दुआ दे आपको, खिलते हुए फूल खुशबू दे आपको. हम तो कुछ देने के काबिल ही नहीं, हम तो कुछ देने के काबिल ही नहीं, ऊपर वाला हजारों हजारों खुशियां दे आपको. Bye. Have a wonderful day and a fantastic year ahead.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Thank you for being so positive in life and cultivating the same kind of positivity in us. Thank you for teaching us to face every difficulty that we have come across or we will come across with a smile and with a lot of courage. I hope we keep surprising you like this every year and it just gets better. I love you.